Hello everyone and welcome back to the SDC Knowledge Series, where we take you behind the scenes of our design decisions and project strategies. Today we're exploring a fascinating project case study, how we applied the Tartan Grid System to design single dwelling units for a residential development. Joining me is our senior architect, Krunal, who led the design approach on this project. Welcome Krunal. What was the design challenge for this single dwelling project?
The challenge was to create homes that feel intentional, balanced, and scalable across multiple lots, without relying on random forms. To solve this, we used the Tartan Grid inspired by tartan fabric, a system of intersecting horizontal and vertical bands structured using ratios like 1, 2, 2, 3, and Fibonacci. This grid became our invisible foundation, guiding room sizes, window alignment, facade geometry, and spatial hierarchy. It helped us maintain order and harmony throughout the entire project.
How did the Tartan Grid shape the ground floor layout?
The ground floor layout emerged directly from the grid. The living room became the key public zone, open, welcoming, and proportionally aligned. The den and ground floor bath branched off the grid as flexible private use modules. A functional spine connected the mudroom, pantry, kitchen, giving the home a discrete, efficient circulation route. The kitchen, nook, and family room merged into a flowing open concept, enhanced by a double height volume and large openings aligned perfectly to the grid. The staircase and fireplace acted as strong vertical anchors.
And what about the upper floor planning?
The upper floor continued the proportional order. The bonus room sat at the center, aligned perfectly with the double-height family room for visual continuity. Bedrooms followed hierarchical placement based on grid proportions, ensuring natural flow, balance, and privacy. The result, a layout where circulation feels effortless.
What was the biggest takeaway from applying the Tartan Grid in this project?
The biggest takeaway is that proportion-driven design creates harmony you can feel. The Tartan Grid allowed us to transform abstract ratios into real, livable spaces, balanced, aligned interiors, and volumes that breathe. It proves that single dwellings don't need to rely on guesswork. They can be rooted in timeless geometry that enhances both function.
This case study shows how a thoughtful proportional system can elevate residential design rhythmic and human-centered. Thank you, Krunal, for walking us through this process. And thank you to our listeners. Stay tuned for more project insights in the SDC Knowledge Series.